What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you some cheap lights you can use to light your videos whenever you're doing maybe YouTube or something, and you don't have to spend that extra money to go and buy some very expensive lights. So in today's video I'm going to show you just 2 lights you can use to light your videos without any cost. It's just for like $40, so let's get into the video. So this is the package these lights came in, just a small box, nothing fancy, and these are what you get inside the box. I'm actually using one of the lights right now, but you get 2 of each items you see here. So you get 2 lights, 2 tripod stands and mount, and 2 of each gel, which consists of 4 colors. Setting up this light was fairly simple. All you have to do is just screw all the pieces together. Just by looking at this you can see it took no effort in setting up. It's really easy to do. The light consists of 66 pieces energy saving LED bulbs for providing superior lighting. Neewer claimed this will not flicker at low brightness, which I haven't experienced so far. To insert a gel, all you have to do is just slide it in the groove like this until you hear that sound. Nah, I exaggerate that sound, that's actually a sound effect. As you can see, this thing is easy to deassemble as well, so if you ever need to put this thing in your bag, trust me, you will have no problem doing that because of how small this thing is. It comes with these filters known as gel, so if you ever want to spice up your background or give your videos a nice scenery, these can get you that desired look as well by switching to any of these colors, which I think I'll be using a lot. And these are what the colors are like. Even though this is a cheap light, I have to say I got more than what I've been expected for such a cheap product. The flimsiness of this is real though, because it's made of a plastic material which feels really cheap but delivers such a great performance. I really enjoy using this light so far. I know you have other options such as a ring light, but what I like about these is the option to swap out these gels to any color you like, and also positioning these lights is pretty simple as well. The great thing about this light, it's USB powered, so you can take this anywhere with you without a wall plug. But if you have a power bank of sort, this thing will work perfect because it's not a rechargeable light. It's just a plug and go, and that's it. The controller for this light has 3 options of which to turn on the light, turn up the brightness, and also turn down the brightness. This light also consists of 10 modes of brightness from 10% to 100%, which it's on max brightness now, so I will count down to show you it's actually 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as you can see. I like about these lights, they are so portable. You can literally carry these in your bag or even in your hand, to be honest, because these are so small and it's so compact. You can literally bring this anywhere you're going, and that's the reason why I really like these lights. Even for the price I pay for them, I think they're really worth it, to be honest. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this one, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads when I upload a new video. Also, please drop a like on this video and let me know what you think about these lights down in the comments. And till next time, I see you guys. Peace.